Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to toggle between the new and the classic mode in Matrix. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. All right, so for anyone who's logged into Matrix, you might have already noticed that some of the features that you're familiar with have suddenly changed. And this was primarily done not just to modernize the interface, but also provide a more enjoyable user experience. And one of the ways it does this is by ensuring a consistency across your different devices. For example, users that have the new UI enabled are able to navigate through the updated pages on their smartphone with the same look and feel as their desktop monitor. However, because there may be some users that prefer to ease into this change at their own pace, Matrix makes it very easy to switch back. To do this, simply navigate to the utility menu, then select to switch to Classic. Keep it in mind that when you do this, not only does the UI change, but some of the functionality may be limited compared to viewing Matrix in the latest mode. Now, if at any point you'd like to switch back and enjoy the latest UI features that Matrix has to offer, simply return to the utility menu and disable the Classic. All right, well, this concludes this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.